Is rubbing alcohol safe for all upholstery cleaning? No, it is not universally safe and must be used with targeted care. Rubbing alcohol works well on water-safe fabrics because it evaporates quickly and can dissolve many oily or sticky soils without leaving a residue. Start by checking the upholstery care code on the manufacturer tag. Fabrics marked with a W or WS can usually tolerate water or water-based cleaners, while S indicates solvent only and X means professional cleaning only. Always perform a spot test on an inconspicuous area by applying a small amount, blotting gently with a white cloth, and waiting at least 15 minutes to watch for color change or pile distortion. Use a cotton swab or white cloth rather than spraying directly to control the amount and avoid oversaturation, and work from the outside of a stain toward the center to prevent spreading. For sensitive synthetics like acetate or triacetate and blended delicate fibers, avoid rubbing alcohol because it can dissolve dyes or finish treatments and cause irreversible damage. After cleaning, blot with a damp cloth to remove any residual solvent, then allow the fabric to air dry away from direct heat or sunlight to prevent shrinkage or color shift. Common mistakes include assuming all upholstery is water safe and applying alcohol liberally, which causes dye bleed and ring marks. Instead, verify the care code and do an extended spot test. Another frequent error is rubbing vigorously, which can crush or fuzz the pile. Solution: blot gently and use a soft brush only if necessary to lift fibers after drying. People also forget to remove residual solvent, leaving a dried film that attracts soil. Always follow with a mild water rinse and blotting to remove any residue. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a platform where we can share project details and get quotes. We also host a discussion community where our members exchange tips, experiences, and contractor recommendations.